Visual on my port, bow, visual on my port, bow, this is motor, tankers, Seaway Trader calling on channel, Una 1, Sokso 6, over. Seaway Trader, this is motor vessel, Atlantic Breeze. Good afternoon, Captain, go ahead, over. Atlantic Breeze, we are approaching the bend at mile, marker 34, Lesotho. I propose passing port to port. Do you agree? Over. Seaway Trader, Roger. I agree to port passing at mile marker 34 Lesotho. I will maintain course and speed. Over. Understood. I will adjust as necessary and maintain BHF watch. See you on the one. Vessel Seaway Trader out. Atlantic Breeze out.